Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun video for you guys. I'm going to be filming a what's in my bag. I did one of these last year, around the same time last year actually, and it did really well. So I figure I might as well do another one. So if you want to see what's in this bag, of course, stay tuned. So this is my Louis Vuitton Toiletry 26. And it is a toiletry bag, but all over social media, a lot of the influencers use it as a clutch. So I decided that I wanted to try that as well. And I've actually been really liking using it as a clutch. So I'm just going to show you all that I carry in this when I'm using it as a clutch. So this is a quick overview of what it looks like in the bag. I do have a bag organizer in there. And that helps me so much because if I didn't have it, I'd bring everything inside this bag. So yeah, I have that little organizer in there, and then I just throw my phone on the top. But yes, let's get into this. So I know you guys came to see the bag and not so much me, so I'm gonna try to hold it up like this, but please bear with me because, you know, it is kind of heavy. Like I said, my phone is on the top of the bag. I just kind of throw it here. Usually I have my phone in my hand anyways, but if I need to, I could just put it on the top and that's it. The first pocket here, I have my key fob, and of course I picked this up because it's bling bling and cute. I also have my AirPod case. And I got this cute case from Amazon. It just flips open just like that. Easy to get to. It's like a magnetic flip. And then I have my card holder. Honestly, I don't carry a wallet anymore. I just use this little card holder and it's everything. Pretty much everything I need is here, and then whatever else is on my phone. So this one is from Coach. It's kind of like a quilted texture. So I really like this one. And then I have this pouch. This pouch has all of my lip products. So I just transfer this to any bag that I use at all times. It has everything that I need in it for my lips. And it just looks like that. But I have my LYS Beauty Lip Gloss. Absolutely love this. It's very hydrating and kind of like plumping. And then I have my Colored Range Sugar. This is my favorite liquid lipstick of all time. I'm actually wearing it right now, but this is the mini version, so I had to get that. This is MAC's Ruby Woo. Mostly when I go out, I'm wearing a red lip, so I have this one in here. I've been thinking about going to buy the little small size too, so I could put it in my purse. Just leave it in my purse. And then I have this Girlie Lipstick. So yeah, I absolutely love the color yellow, so I had to get this. This is one of their refillable lipsticks, and it comes with a mirror on there, so that's super convenient. And then this is just my little natural pink lipstick. I will leave the number in the description box below. I can't remember what it is right now, but I'll leave it below. And then I have a hair tie. So in the next pocket, I have this sanitizer, which is a must. You guys already know. And after sanitizer, you gotta moisturize those hands. So this right here is like one of my favorite creams of all time. This is the Bath and Body Works Stress Relief. It's from the aromatherapy line, and I absolutely love the aromatherapy line. I probably say it every video, but honestly, these things actually really work. So if you haven't had a chance to get your hands on them, get it. Not only does it work, but it's also super moisturizing, so I really love these. Then I have my travel size perfume. This is the Valentino one. I can't remember the exact name, but I'll list it below in case you want to know. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with this scent. And then I have another lip balm, and this one is by Pat McGrath. It was on sale, so I picked it up, but it's actually really good. It's pretty hydrating. It's just a clear balm. I honestly can't function if my lips are dry, so I always have like a million lip glosses everywhere I can put them. And then I have this little compact. This is a mirror, so that like usually I'll be taking my phone and like checking my teeth like after I have dinner or something, but that's not cute. So I had to get this little Chanel mirror compact, and it's double-sided, so it's actually really good. One magnifying side and the next one is normal. And then in one of the pockets, I just stuffed this gum in there because it's really small because of the organizer, so I can't have like a big pack of gum or anything, so I just stuffed a few of them in there. And that is all we have. We're empty. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know down below what is one of your must-haves in your purse. And I don't mean like your phone or your wallet, but what's other than that, what is one item that you have to have with you? And for me, of course, like I said, my lip balm, I need lip products at all times. If you enjoyed this video, of course, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.